Hey friends, here we are at something that's fairly easy. Kids could do it as well, and it's called Popplet. And all it is making a concept map, and a concept map would look something like this. Here are some examples, and these are ones that people have actually done. I think, or maybe they're just ideas of. I saw some in a bit ago, like this, that were filled in. So the main concept would go in a large square, and then you have all these um, pieces to, shapes to put other ideas and concepts that you've learned about in. And if you look, see, then you can zoom in and zoom out. It's really sort of cool. And then when you're done with it, all you do is go to the word share, and you copy the URL, and you put it up into Canvas. So when you're making it, though, to go onto the website that you're going to be creating, what I would suggest is getting it to the point where it's large enough to see, and then using a screenshot. And you might have to make two smaller Popplets to get all the information in that you want on two different screenshots, but that's absolutely fine. So don't get frustrated trying to get everything into one picture, but you can have multiple pictures. The other thing too is when you get to your website part of this, there's not going to be an embed code for you. So you'll hear me talk more about embed codes, but it won't be available. So you'll have to use probably a screenshot, or you're going to be very frustrated. And we don't want you to be frustrated. We want you to be happy. So there you go. That's how to do Popplet. The login is very simple to make an account. There's no cost, like I've said. So, okay, we'll be moving on, giving you some hints to the next one.